Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered if we are alone in this vast universe? This, my friends, is the cosmic question that has intrigued and puzzled mankind for centuries. We've always been curious creatures, fascinated by the unknown, the unexplored, and the unimaginable. The possibility of extraterrestrial life, beings from other worlds, has always sparked our collective curiosity. In this cosmic journey, we are going to explore the concept of extraterrestrial life, the human curiosity that drives the search for it, and the various theories and beliefs that have emerged over time. We'll delve into the dawn of modern astrobiology, investigate the efforts of the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, SETI, and look at recent discoveries and future prospects. From early theories and beliefs to the cutting-edge research of today, we'll traverse the timeline of humanity's quest for understanding extraterrestrial life. So buckle up. Join us as we traverse the timeline of humanity's quest for understanding extraterrestrial life. Our journey begins in the ancient world, where humans first pondered the possibility of life beyond Earth. The ancient Greeks, the trailblazers of philosophy, were among the first to entertain the idea of life beyond our planet. The likes of Thales of Miletus and Anaximander proposed that the universe was infinite and filled with celestial bodies similar to our own, each potentially teeming with life. Anaxagoras took it a step further, suggesting that the stars themselves were distant suns, with their own Earths inhabited by life forms. Fast forward to the Middle Ages, and the idea of extraterrestrial life was deeply entwined with religious beliefs. Scholars such as William of Ockham and Nicholas of Cusa speculated that God's infinite creation must include other worlds and beings. Yet these ideas were often met with resistance, as they challenged the widely held belief that humans were the center of God's universe. As we moved into the time of the scientific revolution, these theories began to take a more concrete form. The invention of the telescope by Galileo Galilei in the 17th century opened up new horizons. Suddenly we could see the moons of Jupiter, the rings of Saturn, and the phases of Venus, all of which suggested that other planets might be similar to Earth and therefore might also sustain life. The celebrated philosopher Immanuel Kant in the 18th century hypothesized that the universe was populated by an infinite number of planets, each with its own life forms. His ideas, along with those of other Enlightenment thinkers, laid the foundation for modern astrobiology. So you see, from the ancient Greeks to the scholars of the Middle Ages, from Galileo's telescope to Kant's philosophy, our ancestors were not so different from us. They too looked up at the night sky and wondered, are we alone? As our understanding of the universe expanded, so did our theories about life beyond our home planet. Fast forward to the 20th century, a time when our search for extraterrestrial life took a scientific turn. This era marked the dawn of a new field of study known as astrobiology, a discipline at the crossroads of biology, astronomy, and geology, devoted to the exploration and understanding of life beyond Earth. The birth of astrobiology was a significant milestone in our cosmic journey. It was no longer about mythical creatures or divine beings inhabiting distant worlds. Instead, it became a quest rooted in science, seeking tangible evidence of life beyond our planet. One of the key developments in this field was the Drake equation. Proposed by Frank Drake in the early 1960s, this equation was not designed to provide a definitive answer, but to stimulate scientific dialogue. It encapsulates the factors thought to determine the potential number of technologically advanced civilizations in our galaxy. Despite its uncertainties, the Drake equation continues to guide our search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Around the same time, the space race was heating up, and missions aimed at finding life in our solar system were launched. The 2 Viking landers sent to Mars in the mid-70s were among the first to search for biosignatures, signs of life in the soil of the red planet. Although the results were inconclusive, they highlighted the challenges of detecting life on other planets and the need for more sophisticated techniques. Then came the Galileo spacecraft, which in the late 90s revealed evidence of a potentially habitable environment on Jupiter's moon Europa. Its icy surface, scientists believe, could be hiding a subsurface ocean, a potential abode for life. These missions were not just about reaching new frontiers in space, but about expanding our understanding of life itself. They forced us to rethink our definitions of life and habitability, to consider the possibility of life forms very different from those we know on Earth. These missions paved the way for more ambitious endeavors, propelling us deeper into the cosmos. In the quest to answer the cosmic question, a new initiative was born, the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, or SETI. Formed in the early 1960s, SETI is an exploratory science that seeks to answer one of humanity's oldest questions: are we alone in the universe? SETI's primary method of investigation is radio astronomy. This is because radio waves, a type of electromagnetic radiation, can traverse the vast distances of space without being significantly weakened or altered. By scanning the skies with radio telescopes, SETI scientists hope to detect signals that could not be produced by natural celestial bodies, but only by a technologically advanced civilization. Over the years, SETI has had a few tantalizing moments that hinted at the possibility of extraterrestrial contact. The most famous of these is probably the WOW signal. Detected in 1977 by astronomer Jerry Ehman, the WOW signal was a strong narrowband radio signal that seemed to come from the direction of the constellation Sagittarius. Ehman was so impressed by the signal that he wrote WOW next to its printout, hence the name. However, despite numerous attempts, the signal has never been detected again, and its origin remains a mystery. But don't let that dishearten you. The universe is a vast place, filled with billions upon billions of stars, many of which could host planets with life as we know it. The fact that we haven't found definitive proof of extraterrestrial life yet doesn't mean it doesn't exist. It just means we haven't found it yet. SETI's work is ongoing, and it's a monumental task. The organization listens to the cosmos, patiently waiting for a signal. The silence from the stars is not a sign of failure, but a testament to the immensity of our cosmic quest. After all, as the saying goes, absence of evidence is not evidence of absence. While SETI has yet to find definitive proof of alien life, it continues to listen to the cosmos, waiting for a signal. In recent years, our search for extraterrestrial life has made some exciting strides. The cosmos, once a vast, uncharted expanse, is gradually revealing its secrets. A significant leap forward has been the detection of exoplanets orbiting within the habitable zone of their stars, places where conditions could potentially support life as we know it. These planets, with names like Proxima Centauri b and TRAPPIST-1e, may be light years away, but their discovery has brought us one step closer to answering the question: is there life beyond Earth? The advancements in technology have been instrumental in aiding our cosmic quest. Powerful telescopes like NASA's Hubble and the upcoming James Webb have transformed our ability to peer into the distant realms of the universe. These eyes in the sky capture images and data that scientists can analyze for signs of life, such as changes in a planet's atmosphere that might indicate biological activity. But we don't have to look light years away for potential life. Right here in our own solar system, there are tantalizing possibilities. Mars, our planetary neighbor, has long been a focus of astrobiologists. With evidence of past liquid water and certain chemical elements essential for life, Mars continues to be a beacon of intrigue. Beyond Mars, the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn, Europa and Enceladus respectively, also hold promise. Beneath their frozen surfaces lie vast oceans, kept warm by the gravitational tug of their parent planets. Could these dark waters be teeming with life? Future missions aim to find out by sending probes to these distant moons. Our journey into the cosmos is just beginning. With each new discovery, each technological leap, we edge closer to understanding our place within the universe. As we continue to probe the cosmos, the question remains, are we alone? Our journey through the timeline of extraterrestrial life research has taken us from ancient philosophies to cutting-edge science. We've traveled from the early inklings of cosmic curiosity, where civilizations gazed upon the stars and wondered if we are alone. We've explored the evolution of these beliefs into the dawn of modern astrobiology, where science began to take the reins and theories started to take shape. We've dived into the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, an ongoing quest that has captivated the minds of scientists and dreamers alike. We've witnessed the recent discoveries that have nudged us closer to finding answers, and the future prospects that promise even more exciting revelations. This cosmic quest is a testament to human curiosity, a journey that spans centuries and civilizations, all leading us to the tantalizing question, are we alone? So next time you look up at the stars, remember, the question of whether we are alone in the universe is still one of the greatest unsolved mysteries of our time.